Thank you for calling JMJ Web Design. This is Fran. How can I assist you today? Hi again, and welcome back to If You Know, You Know, where we keep you updated about all things happening in the technology industry that could be affecting your business.
Stick around until the end of the video for a tip about QR codes and why you need them. If you know, you know, legislation has been trying to crack down on user privacy. More specifically, the American Data Privacy and Protection Act is about harsher regulations on covered data, which is any type of information about you like your email address or your IP address. And this also applies to nonprofits and small businesses now, not just large corporations.
It also prohibits targeting ads to minors. Sensitive data like health info, precious geolocation, and private communications, which means companies will not be able to follow you around the internet as you jump from site to site. The bill hasn't passed yet, but we will keep you updated.
Speaking of privacy, if you know, you know, we've been talking about the death of cookies since our very first episode, and it seems like we're going to be continuing to talk about it for a little while longer.
Google just announced they extended the deadline for the disappearance of cookies until the second half of 2024, as opposed to the end of 2023. And this is because, as always, everyone in the tech industry is still trying to figure out how we're going to track users' data and find a privacy-friendly replacement.
In social news, we spoke on the Elon Musk and Twitter deal in our last episode and how it was kind of up in the air last month. Well, they are now suing each other because Musk pulled his offer after the platform would not release requested information about bot data.
In other social news, Snapchat is making some changes to make the app accessible on desktop, not just mobile anymore. And this new feature will include the ability to video chat, and Instagram is going live from your desktop.
It wouldn't be an If You Know, You Know episode if we didn't talk about Instagram. They're updating their feature of going live, so now you'll be able to go live from your desktop too. They're also testing a Notes app, which is very similar to the new Twitter Notes feature.
We just discovered some pretty cool Google Chrome browser features the other day. Did you know that whenever you're in the Google Chrome on desktop, if you right-click, you now have the option to automatically create a QR code for that page? How cool is that? Just think of it as a little Google Chrome Easter egg.
So a QR code is like a barcode for your food at the store. Each dot on the code is equivalent to a human-readable data such as like letters or numbers, and businesses tend to use them for links to their websites, contact forms, or just any way they want to drive traffic. So every business should have them, and now that's easier than ever thanks to Google.
Very, very interesting. Well, if you know, you know, TikTok is given the option to filter out certain videos on the platform. This is to help protect younger users from videos that may be problematic or too mature, specifically the same kind of videos repeatedly.
Did you want to learn even more about some of the topics that we talked about in today's episode? Well, we've got you covered. We have a mini-series of videos that go more in depth about these topics coming out soon, so be sure to check them out.
Thanks for tuning in, and if you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next month. If you know, you know. Until next time.